Majita no Aussie, inkosi ngobuyela ki-channel, igama lami nguseko, uFootball SA lona. Kaizer Chiefs 3-1 bafethu. Coach Fernando da Cruz first match yakhe i-league kibhethwe Premiership bafethu. Wabonakalisa nje uyazi-understanda i-players zakhe. He did not make his team play a style that does not suit his players. Uzenze izinto zibe easy for his players bafethu. And lena, it was the exact players, the team, Kaizer Chiefs last season bafethu. It was the same team, but how come they played so well, Machita? How come the same players, basically, it was the Chiefs fans, played so well? And the answer to that is top coaching, Machita. Apagile video, Machita, I'm going to explain the 5 ways that Fernando da Cruz used Chiefs players perfectly. At the end of the video, you're going to agree with me, Bajonga, Inyansilele Bare. Number 1, bafethu, attacking players, Da Cruz did not make them do things they can't do, bafethu. Kangabenzise amachita izinto abangakwazi uzenza. The attacking 3 behind the striker, I'm talking about Luke Bartman, Ethan Chislett, plus Nomfundo Vilakazi. Yona nto yokuqala about eza players ye-3 bafethu. My 3 la machita awana explosive pace, especially uChislett, uVilakazi, and then kuze uBartman. Ezinye coaches bezawubhuda ezi players ziyeke zibe isolated, zi-expect ezi players zibhithe i-defenders ki-one-on-ones and then spanise i-speed. Ezo nto bezaba-expose amachita, bezama-expose uBartman, beza-expose uMfundo, beza-expose uChislett, but yena uDa Cruz wenze i-opposite yaloo nto. What did he do exactly? He surrounded them with support. Every time they have the ball, there was support around them. That is attacking organization. Every time Bartman or Chislett or Mfundo received the ball, there were at least 2 Chiefs players coming to support them to combine. Instead of his players bafethu trying to beat the defender one-on-one. Ezo nto zenziwa zezinye wingers ezifana noVele Bhayi plus noPhili ozofika. Leyo machita, quality coaching. Eza triangles besizibona apha bafethu bezingenzeki nje bafethu, bizaphinda futhi ematchini. I-training leyo bafethu. La out Ethan Chislett bafethu, umchita akanayo la physical power plus ne-pace ne-speed ne. But instead of uba makathatha ibhola azama uthatha i-defenders, enze i-runs central phakathi kwe-defenders, ebesupporta ebesiya left okanye right, asupporte uVilakazi okanye asupporte uBartman, benze i-combinations pha. Loo nto was coached obviously, but I said get closer to them, get closer to each other, because we don't have the pace to dribble and beat defenders. Kaizer Chiefs khange i-attacke nge-speed apha kule match bafethu, ibi-attacke nge-movement ne-support. Number 2, enye into ebi-grand machita, the defending looked so easy and so comfortable bafethu, i-defense Kaizer Chiefs. Loo nto is one of the hardest things to coach bafethu. I-defending bafethu is not about i-crunch tackles, i-desperate clearances. No bafethu, i-good defending is about i-defense yakho knowing before into yenzeke, know what's going to happen before it actually happens. You are always in the right positions. And that's how Da Cruz has organized his defense. Kaizer Chiefs were able to pick out the danger before, while it was starting, and then they were able to deal with it. And there was not much panic, and there were very few moments where we saw defenders sprinting back bafethu trying to recover. Sayazi qala kakhulu Kaizer Chiefs nakibhethwe Premiership. The defense was moving together bafethu, whether they were going wide, going centrally. The defense was consistently moving together. They were able to deal with the situations before Kruger United ifike ki-penalty area Kaizer Chiefs. That's why Kruger bisokola create chances bafethu, Kaizer Chiefs be in control. Kaizer Chiefs defending showed excellent positioning bafethu. And this is not, I'm not talking about deep block up, defending deep. No. It was defensive organization, the beauty yet defense. And it's machita bafethu, when they had the ball, they were playing out bafethu ngendlela enhle, a clean, a simple. Besibonisa uba say defending doesn't always have to be boring. Defending is part of playing and movement. At the same time, bafethu, fullbacks, they call it balance here create bafethu. Only one fullback was attacking, which was Umonyani. And then Uribe Flosla yena, he was staying behind. Kaizer Chiefs ngezazibini create a rest defense bafethu. Uribe betaka in, and then ngoku defense iphelele. Umonyani xa enyuka, lengu-Uribe ibitaka in, i-defense iphelele. So Kaizer Chiefs xa ibiluza ibhola i-midfield when you final third, i-defense bingabikho exposed, because bihleli say organized already structured, so things looked calm. Number 3 bafethu, Da Cruz made the midfield almost invisible bafethu. In some moments bafethu, it seemed like I was not seeing uNdlovu noMabo, and that is not negative. It's a good thing bafethu. Sometimes xa ungayiboni midfield, but except they're busy working. In midfield is a very dangerous area bafethu to lose balls. It also explains why defense was so comfortable, because Kaizer Chiefs midfield were not losing any balls or were not too involved. Undlovu plus Nomabo were not trying to do too much in everything, bafethu. They were making easy short passes around each other. Again, it was about movement and support. Kaizer Chiefs control the game without making the midfield the center of attention, bafethu. So we had Da Cruz again, that was quality coaching. And then number 4, bafethu, Da Cruz into ayenzile grand, bafethu. The center forward yakhe, Flavio da Silva, who scored a lovely finish, bafethu. Silva was used correctly. He was protected from his weaknesses. I've always said about the channel, bafethu, Silva is a great finisher, but his weaknesses, he was not very good at receiving. First touch yakhe, not good at turning, not good at passing. Da Cruz protected that, bafethu. Kaizer Chiefs, midfielders, the Kaizer Chiefs, can't be zumnika kakhulu Silva enyaweni all the time, because that is going to expose his weakness. And Kaizer Chiefs can't answer the obvious, but okay, jonga, crosses, ziyangena, ziyenhloko. But much the business cutbacks. Kaizer Chiefs is a more creative opportunities, bafethu, Emma Siding, and that is how the goal came for Silva actually. It be a combination isuka ngapha ya right between Vilakazi, not Chislet. I think Bekonomabo Upana on the right channel, not across Pezulu. But Silva, the main job that he was doing, bafethu, was to pin defenders back. They push out defenders. Business busy, but must say back. They create a space for Kaizer Chiefs, bafethu. They create a space for Batman plus not Chislet. Low way allow Kaizer Chiefs to be connected back attack, bafethu. Yambona even allow well taken goal yakhe, bafethu. Defensive line ibe phambi kwakhe and umchitheleni se elapha spacing yena so shy goal. A tactic was for Silva to move the defensive line towards the goalkeeper because they make a space for Kaizer Chiefs. And then number 5, bafethu, it was the master stroke half time, bafethu. It was 1-1, and then Da Cruz wenza a substitution, wakhupha Silva, wafaka uWandile Duba. uWandile Duba ongene washaya 2 goals. Leyana was a tactical decision. I-defense eKruger United ngoku bezeshaya ngenye indlela ngoku. Bezoshaya umuntu ozobaleka behind yona, ozomove around the shoulders of the defenders, behind the defense. Opposite to what Flavio da Silva was doing in the first half. Uduba was using pace and of course his technical ability. Yena umchita ugrand uclean uhlambile enyaweni bafethu. He can receive and he can turn, and esezibonile ibhola beziya ku straight enyaweni. The first goal uDuba uyoyuza anticipation yakhe plus ne quick movement. Orek Frostler uyashaya shot emnandi ukeeper wayichitha yafika le nguDuba because kwazi lo anticipator plus quick washaya nje half volley. Lawe ayikho easy bafethu, idinga i-composure futhi plus ne-technique grand. Ezinye players akwazi ushaya phezu kwebhale lawo, especially if ibhola mingathi bounce. uDuba was able to keep it down and the angle ibingekho nkulu kakhulu bafethu. Ibhali bengavulekanga yonke, so it was a well taken finish. Then the second goal bafethu, it was Duba at his best bafethu. Umchita uvele wamuva ke-blind space defender bafethu, because defenders azikwazi ujonga ibhola phinde zijonga ne-striker at the same time. uDuba uvele wa-attack space, wa-receiver onside, washaya nge-left goal. I-movement yakhe uyenze at the right time as the pass was coming. That's why he was not offside, umchita. And also credit to the midfielder ifakela bhola bafethu. I think ibingumabo, I'm sure. And that's how the story ended bafethu. 3 Kaizer Chiefs, 1 Kruger United. Da Cruz uyawabopha i-tactics ezisuta ii-players ezipha ebaleni on the day. Up next for Kaizer Chiefs, MTN 8 quarterfinal against Durban City at Johannesburg. Nibone njani yonke le wini namajita. Cela ngalibala supporta i-channel majita ne ladies. Share o like no comment ne shares. Mocha.